Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to avoid copyright violation and get music background for free. YouTubers always make videos for entertainment, information, comedy and other videos that makes the viewer participate. But posting a video, a YouTuber must always follow a certain rules, especially in avoiding copyright violation, like reposting a video or using a music background from another YouTuber. There are also scams that a YouTuber must avoid. Many YouTubers are offering their music background to be used for free, but when the time comes that the account will be monetized, YouTube will send you an email or in your notification that you have committed a violation. Sad part here is that the credit of your views will be going to the other account who offered you the audio background. You can avoid this type of violation. Just stay tuned so that I can teach you the easiest way to get an audio background or sound effects for free for your blog or other content videos. Step number 1. Go to www.youtube.com, log in your YouTube account, then to your YouTube channel, click YouTube Studio. Then at the left side, you see the dashboard. Scroll down until you see the audio library. Audio library have many free music background that you can use for your videos. You can choose what genre, from alternative and punk to rock, a mood of your music, and a type of instruments to play in your music background. Also, we have sound effects, different kind of sound effects. Downloading this music or track or this sound effect is the easiest way, but before you download, there's a play button to play, either you like the music or not. If that is the right one, then simply click download button at the right side of the track. Downloading will be seen at the bottom. And that's all, it is finished. I hope this will help you to your videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.